Hello students, today we will discuss about करेक्टर ऑफ यागो। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है करेक्टर ऑफ यागो, जो कि ओथेलो प्ले में है। ये शेक्सपियर ने लिखा है। इसमें जो यागो करेक्टर होता है वो ब्लेन होता है। ओके, तो पढ़ेंगे हम। नो अदर करेक्टर इन एंटायर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर कैन compete with यागो इन इविल इंटेंशंस। A.C. Bradley is of the opinion that Iago stands supreme among Shakespeare's evil characters. Even the age of 28, Iago seems to be the Satan of all evils. He acquires kingly position among all villains of the literature. He surpasses even Richard III and Satan of Paradise Lost. He is so self-seeker that he has no pity for anyone. Cold blood runs in his veins. Even Satan has pity for his victims, but Iago feels no pains in carrying out his evil plans. He can easily adopt any means to achieve his goal. He can shed blood of his friends and relatives for his own profit. He kills his wife mercilessly when he saw his plan is going to fail. यागो की वाइफ एमिलिया होती है। ओके, यागो एक जेलिस करेक्टर है इसमें, क्योंकि जब ओथेलो अपना लेफ्टिनेंट कैशियो को चुन लेता है तो यागो को बहुत जेलिसी फील होती है और वो इस तरीके का अपना प्रतिशोध उससे निकालता है कि कैसियो और डेस्डेमोना के रिलेशन को गलत बताकर ओथेलो के दिमाग में जहर घोल देता है और इस तरीके से ओथेलो अपनी वाइफ डेस्डेमोना को मार देता है। और बाद में जब उसे सच्चाई पता लगती है एमिलिया के द्वारा, तो वो खुद को भी ख़त्म कर लेता है। ओके, फिर यागो को जब यागो की वाइफ एमिलिया ओथेलो को सारी सच्चाई बता रही होती है, तभी यागो अपनी वाइफ को भी मार देता है। ओके, apart from all these evil instincts, it must also be accepted that it is Iago whose character fills Othello with interesting plot and suspensive events. Othello is a drama is nothing in the absence of Iago. His character can be judged in the light of the following points. First इसमें is self-seeker. Iago is entirely devoted to his own purpose and means. He is always inclined to his own profits. He has no love for any other person. He thinks of himself and nobody else. He believes in living for personal benefits and fulfilling personal means of being selfish. He perfectly knows how to use people for the personal benefits in the play. All the other characters appear to be the puppet in his hand. He was an intention for his personal motives. No one other character is inspired from the self-seeking of Iago. He plays with all to carry out his evil plans. Even his wife unintentionally becomes a part of his satanic intentions. A strong character like Othello, who has enough power to captivate the plans of huge armies, seems like a surrendered puppet in his hands and acts as Iago wants. Next है cunning and liar. Iago is liar by nature and he is neither true to himself nor his friends. He feels relieved in false assumptions. Whatever he tells Othello about the love affairs of Desdemona with Cassio is based on lie. But he presents it with weaved plot of love affair and makes Othello believe in what he wants him to believe. From the beginning till end, he kept telling lies to everyone. He is so full of malice toward everyone that he does not pass any moment of There is no one else in the whole world for whom he feels sympathetic and favor him, but he keeps making plans to achieve his goals. He has no mercy for his victims. He used his wife as a means to carry out his evil plan that causes the murder of Desdemona by Othello. Next है हिज ओपिनियन अबाउट वुमेन, उसकी वुमेन के प्रति क्या ओपिनियन थी। यागो हैज बीन अप्रोच टूवर्ड फेमिनिज्म। He thinks that the best of women are unchaste, false and pretentious. His opinion about women is suckle fools and chronicles and small bees. He further points a very astonishing picture of women. You are pictures out of doors, wells in your parlors, wild cats in your kitchen, saints in your injuries, devils being offended, players in your housewifery and housewives in your wells. His irrational opinion about women is visible even in his character. He does not hesitate introducing Desdemona with Cassio and calls her home. Even his wife is not spared from his poisonous words at the end of the play. He kills his wife Amelia. Next is jealous and revengeful. Iago is jealous by nature that leads him to take revenge upon Othello and Cassio. Since the beginning of the play, Iago is seen planning against Cassio and Othello. Cassio is appointed the lieutenant by Othello at the place of Iago. This drives him crazy and he starts knitting conspiracy against Othello and Cassio. To carry out his villainous plan, he is Roderigo assuming him about the love of Desdemona. Roderigo unknowingly becomes a puppet in the hand of Iago. His plan is successful when Cassio is dismissed from the post. Iago is responsible for the discomfitures of Cassio's life. Iago calls him claimed name and curses Othello in the following words in Act 1, Scene 1. Next at another place he feels contented to see Othello in grief as he wants Othello not to have any moment of peace in life. He says, वो क्या कहता है, not puppy, nor mandragora, nor all the rowdy cycles of the world shall ever medicine thee to that sweet sleep which thou oddest yesterday. Next, last conclusion. Throughout the play, Iago kept playing villainous game with all the other characters. For meeting his purpose, he used all the characters as puppet and caused murders. For all his evil deeds, he also meets tragic, and when Othello stabs him, he received a very easy death, but he must have tortured and tormented for the rest of his life. Iago represents the inhuman character, so perpetual torturing would have been suitable for his life. Evil deeds. Lodovico's words for him are suitable for Iago when he says, for the slave, if there be any cunning cruelty that can torment him much and hold him long, it shall be this. He plays with all to carry out his evil plans. Even his wife unintentionally become a part of his satanic intentions. Okay. He says, "Oh sir, conflict you, I follow him to serve my turn upon him." In the next few lines he says like this, "In following him I follow but myself. Heaven is my judge, not I for love and duty, but seeming so for my peculiar end." His another speech gives clear expression of respect and love for those who are self-seekers. He says in the same act and scene, "Remain in forms and visages of duty, keeps yet their hearts attending on themselves, and throwing but shows of services on their lords, do will thrive by then and when they have lined their course." Apart from all these evils, it must also be accepted that it is Iago whose character fills Othello with interesting plot and suspensive events. Othello as a drama is nothing in the absence of Iago. जो ओथेलो ड्रामा है वो इयागो के एब्सेंस के बिना कुछ भी नहीं है. His character can be judged in the light of the following points. He can shed blood of his friends and relatives for his own profit. He kills his wife mercilessly when he saw his plan is going to fail.